Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make this, just check this out. Things that you'll need a poster board or a white foam board. I got mine from Dollar Tree. Some people use canvases, but they're more expensive and I don't think you need them. You're gonna need EL lights. These are like LED lights, but that's not what they're called. They're called EL lights. I got mine that are 3 feet long. I'll put the link in the description below. I got them from Amazon. You'll need painter's tape to plan it all out. You'll need a hot glue gun to glue it on, and you'll need AA batteries for the actual lights to work. And then you also need an idea of what you're gonna make. Okay, so just to start off, I basically needed to cut the poster board in half because it was too big, and I wanted to make 2 signs anyway, so I literally was just measuring it out and cutting it in half. So this is just me showing you what the EL lights look like. They come in 3 different colors, each of them is 3 feet, and like I said, I got them off Amazon. So the first thing you start with is just creating a hole for the wire to go through. So I just use a small sewing needle to create the hole and then pull the wire through and then tape it on the back, that way it stay in place. And then literally you just start bending the wire to the shape that you want. I already had the idea that I was going to make the words you move, so I just start bending the wire to create the letters. It can be a little hard to bend the wire, and as you can tell I have to like adjust it a bit, but that's just because, as you saw, like the wire was already packaged in like spirals, so it already had some shape to it, so you kind of had to bend it out of that in certain areas. So this is just the process repeated for the words I move, making the hole for the wire, entering the wire, bending it to the shape that you want, and then holding it with painter's tape. I just found that this method works best because you'll know exactly how it's going to look and it's just more efficient. PSA, start hot gluing from the end that has the battery pack attached to it, because if you don't, when it comes time to hide the string in the back, you'd have to pull the entire battery pack through it, and that's just not practical. I wanted to hide the wire between the U and the M and move behind the board, so you just create a hole where you'll put the string through the back and then create another hole where it'll come through the front, and that's it. So this is what it looks like when it's done and how it looks when you turn it on. So this is the same process for the I move sign. Don't be afraid to adjust things as you're hot gluing, because ultimately you just want to make sure it looks good. So these are both of them finished, but not turned on. So this is the end product. This is what they look like when they're turned on. I think they're super cute. Show me what you guys make, and also follow me on Instagram. Thanks y'all, bye!